In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change chart layout on TradingView. By the end, you'll confidently switch between a single chart and a multi-chart layout using the built-in layout selector, so you can view one market or compare several side by side without changing your charts. First, open TradingView. If you're using a web browser, go to the TradingView site and open your chart. If you're using the desktop app, launch it and open any chart so the main chart workspace is visible on screen. Next, move your cursor to the top right area of the chart workspace. Look for the Select Layout icon. It looks like a small grid or set of tiles. When you hover over it, you'll see a tooltip that says Select Layout. Click this grid icon to open the Layout Options panel. Now, choose Single Chart or Multi-Chart Layout. In the panel, you'll see a range of layouts. Single Chart shows one large chart. The multi-chart layouts split the screen into multiple panes, such as 2, 4, or more tiles. Click the layout you want to use. As soon as you click, TradingView applies that layout to your workspace. Chart updates automatically. You don't need to confirm or save anything here. The chart view switches immediately to reflect the layout you selected. If you chose a single chart, you'll see one full screen chart. If you chose a multi-chart layout, the screen divides into multiple panes. Each pane is ready to display a chart, and you can work in any pane by clicking directly inside it. At this point, the change is visual only. You're not deleting or altering your charts, drawings, or indicators by switching layouts. You're simply changing how many charts you can view at the same time. If you switch back to a single chart later, your chart content is still there. From here, verify the layout change. If you selected a single chart layout, well, you should see your chart filling the space with no additional panes. If you selected a multi-chart layout, confirm the screen is split into the number of tiles you chose. You can click inside any tile to make it active and see its toolbar highlight, which confirms that pane is selected and ready for interaction. If the layout grid isn't immediately visible, make sure your chart area is in focus and the top toolbar is expanded. The Select Layout icon always sits near the top right of the chart workspace, alongside other chart tools. A quick hover should reveal the correct icon if you're unsure. Once that's done, continue working normally. You can analyze a single market in the single chart layout, or view multiple markets at the same time in the multi-chart layout. The layout you picked stays active until you change it again using the same grid icon. That's it. You've changed the chart layout on TradingView, and the new layout is now applied and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.